When it became clear that I was going to need a bone marrow transplant in order to be able to survive this, they start looking on registries to see if anyone's going to be a match and have suitable stem cells to be able to graft in. And the way the news for that came through was slightly comical, if I'm honest, because it turned out there was a match in Edinburgh, and that was me, from when I'd previously lived and worked in Edinburgh. And then there was a match in America, which was near where my brother lived. But we weren't able to, no one was able to tell us that it was him. My name's Nicholas Morley. I live in Monmouthshire. I work as a radiologist in Velindre Cancer Centre and in the PET Centre in UHW. So in April last year, about 18 months ago, I'd been diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. It's obviously disastrous news, and it's I think particularly bad for people around you. So for my wife and children who are also trying to come to terms with that. So there was a lot of really hard treatment for the leukemia, essentially the chemotherapy to get rid of the leukemia cells also gets rid of a lot of your own bone marrow. Which is a necessary part of it. And then because of the leukemia, your bone marrow wasn't working well in the first place as it was. So I needed a lot of transfusions of red cells and platelets during the treatment in order to be able to keep moving at all. I forget how many bags it was, but I certainly owe a lot to the Welsh Blood Service and all the people who have kindly donated those. So it's amazing. I'm a year now from the transplant and basically back to normal, back at work full time, and having to do the taxi duties and the dishwasher at home, and that's great. So I just want to give a message to all the people who have donated those blood products, the platelets and the red cells, to my brother who donated the stem cells. Thank you so much. It's the difference between me being here and not being here. Please sign up to the registry. There's a chance that you might be the only person who can save someone's life, someone like me or a child with leukemia, whose only way forward is to get a stem cell transplant. And they need a match in order for that to work. And you could be that match.